हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज की क्लास में हम डिस्कस करेंगे डिसीजन मेकिंग अंडर अनसर्टेनिटी। नाउ when there are two or more possible states of nature exist and the decision maker cannot assess the probabilities of occurrence of these states, so there are 5 different methods through which we can take decision under such conditions. That means decision making under uncertainty means we don't know what is the probability of the happening of the events. That means we have different states of nature, but we can't assign probability to these events. Okay, that means decision maker is not sure what will happen in future. In this case, to calculate or to choose the best alternative from the choices, there are 5 criteria. Number one is criteria of pessimism. Number one, criteria of pessimism. This criteria is based upon the conservative approach of assumption that the worst possible is going to be happen. Here, the decision makers select the best out of these worst outcomes. That means, in this criteria, we have different states of nature and different alternatives. Now, this is the problem. What act we have to choose so that we can get maximum output, we can get profit. Okay, so in this, decision maker takes the maximum criteria. That means maximum of the minimum profit, right? So we have one example which we already studied in the last class. Okay, so this is example. There are 3 alternatives, that is crop A, crop B and crop C, and the conditional profit under rain, that is high, medium and low. For each combination we have some payoff. These are 8,000, 4,500, 2,000, 3,500 and so on, right? Now we are using the criteria of pessimism. Pessimism meaning the decision maker wants to find out the maximum from the minimum profit. So first we will again plot the same table, and we will plot one another column which shows minimum payoff. Now we will see for crop A which value is minimum. 8,000, 4,500 and 2,000. What is minimum? This is 2,000. And for crop B it is 3,500, 4,500 and 5,000. Which is minimum? 3,500. Now for crop C there are 3 values. Now we will find the minimum value, that is 4,000. Now according to this principle says that find out the maximum from the minimum. Now we are seeing these values are minimum. Which value is maximum? All of these, that is 4,000. So we will take this 4,000. So the decision maker will choose the crop C under this pessimism criteria. Come to the next criteria is criteria of optimism. Optimism meaning ashavadi. That means under this criteria, better is going to happen. Here the decision maker select the best out of the better outcomes, right? Again we are taking the same table. You can see profit matrix, it is given. Now this criteria is also known as maxi-max criteria. This criteria is known as maxi-max criteria. That means choose the maximum from all the maximums. So see, we have this conditional table, this profit table. Now we will plot another column, that is maximum payoff. Now for crop A, which is maximum 8,000. For crop B is 5,000. For crop C is again 5,000. Now, according to this principle, we have to find the maximum from all of three values, that is 8,000, and it is for crop A. So we can say that according to this criteria, the decision maker or the farmer should grow crop A because it gives the best result.